Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick video of my progress. Managed to get one shoe pretty much done today. Just need to glue it together, glue the wires inside, and just put some light on it. And once those are glued inside, the shoe will be fully wearable. I know a few guys have been asking as well what LEDs I've used and a couple of the parts I've used. So for us guys, at least in the UK, here's my receipt from Maplin's, and I used 3mm LEDs because they were nice and small and fit in the shoe well. Here's the part codes you need. You need the yellow, red and the green. And for some reason Maplin's only sell 16 and 18 ohm resistors. You need 17 ohms of resistance for these particular three LEDs. So you'll need to get 1 and a 16 and solder them together, and you should have your 17 ohms for this circuit per shoe. I hope that clears things up for a few guys that have been sending me messages. So yeah, I've managed to put the switch in the correct position and run it down the back of the shoe. Hopefully going to stitch that back up so you won't be able to see it, and the wire runs nice and neat on the inside of the sponge so you can't see it from the outside. And then the inverter and the battery are actually in the sole as well. So and I managed to get some EL into the sole here. So if you press the button, everything lights up off one switch. No messing around with different switches. You got your Nike logo there, and where I've done the EL, I've actually drilled through the connector tabs on each one and fed the wire through and soldered and put tape on them all, so there's no way they're coming loose when you're wearing them. As you can see, the sole there, pretty neat. The way you get this to work, I'm sure people like Brad have actually explained this already, but you actually get one piece of L tape here, or L sheet even, and you put a bit of black tape in between or something to block the light in between here, so this actually comes across about 5mm here and goes back over, and you can just see where I've put the connectors on there with a bit of tape and secured them in with solder, and again drilled through the tabs as well, so there's no way they're coming loose. These parts of the sole have actually been super glued back on, so there's no way they're coming off. The LEDs there, and I've actually done the toe correction on this shoe as well. So as you can see, compared to the original, once I've glued it back on, it should be pretty smooth all the way down to the bottom there. Pretty happy with the standard logos that Mark sent. Just need to do some paint on the back, and along the bottom I've got the turquoise paint ready to go. So just going to play around with different techniques. Probably end up using a toothbrush and masking the shoe up. To flick the paint on is probably going to be the best way to do it. And up here, what I've done is on the inside and the outside, I've run the strap around the outside and through the inside. I know this isn't how it was done on the original shoe, but I just thought it'll look pretty neat and tidy once I'm done. I'm going to put Velcro on the inside here and on here so that they'll Velcro up nice and tight around the front. And then because this falls down, it's notorious for falling down, it's actually glued at the moment, sorry, a bit of tape on there. I'm actually going to put either some press studs on either side, or maybe some more Velcro here and here, so there's no way it's going to come down. Yeah. Hope this helps out a few guys that have been sending me messages. I won't be making this shoe for anyone but myself, so don't be sending messages about that because I won't be selling these shoes. But yeah, it's just a cool project, and I thought I'd give you guys a quick video.